Next topic, balancing. After posting the transactions, accounts are balanced every year or after a certain period. Balancing an account means that the two sides of an account are totaled and the difference in total of the two sides is written on the side whose total is smaller. If the total of the credit side is more than the total of debit side of any account, the difference of amount will be recorded as balance carried down on the debit side, and if the total of the debit side is more than the total of credit side of any account, the difference amount will be recorded as balance carried down on the credit side. If the total of the debit side of any account is more than the total of credit side, it means that the account has debit balance, and if the total of the credit side of any account is more, it will show a credit balance. Let us do an example. A cash account is given. Which are the items on debit side? First, capital account. Next, sales account 50,000. Next, Anupama account 30,000. Next, commission account 10,000. Accounts on credit side are salary account 15,000, purchase account 5,000, Krishna account 75,000, interest account 3,000, rent account 4,000, stationery account 1,000. There are 4 items on debit side and 6 items on credit side. For balancing the cash account, first we have to take the sum of debit side. Debit side total is 1,90,000. Then credit side total is 1,03,000. Debit side total 1,90,000. Credit side total 1,03,000. Debit side total 1,90,000. That is the sum of 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000. 1 lakh plus 50,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000 equal 1,90,000. Then credit side total 15,000 plus 5,000 plus 75,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,000. Credit side total 1,03,000. In this case, debit side total is more than the credit side total. Balancing. First you have to write 1,90,000 on both sides, which is the bigger amount. Next, the difference of debit side and credit side, that is 87,000. Write that rupees 87,000 on credit side. In this case, debit side total is more than the credit side total. The balance will arise on credit side. Since debit side total is more than the credit side total, the balance will arise on credit side. Balancing figure 87,000. Balance carried down. Balance carried down 87,000 is the balancing figure in this case. Debit side total 1,90,000. Credit side total 1,03,000. Balance 87,000. Next, purchase account. Items on debit side are cash account 20,000, Krishna account 80,000. Goodwill Limited 15,000. Credit side there are two items, charity and drawings. Charity 1,000, drawings 4,000. Debit side total 1,15,000. That is the sum of 20,000, 80,000 and 15,000. 20,000 plus 80,000 plus 15,000 equal 1,15,000. Credit side 1,000, charity 1,000 and drawings 4,000, total 5,000. Debit side total 1,15,000, credit side total 5,000. In this case, debit side total is more than the credit side total. So, the balance will arise on credit side. Before writing the balancing figure, we have to write the total. Total should be 1,15,000. Balancing figure 1,05,000 on credit side, which is written as balance carry down. Balancing figure 1,05,000 arises on credit side because credit side total is less than the debit side total. Next, commission account. Commission account, in this case, there is no item on the debit side and only one item on the credit side. So, the balancing figure will be the same amount. Total 10,000. Debit side amount 0. Credit side 10,000. Debit side there is no item. So, the debit side total is 0. Credit side total 10,000. 10,000 is more than 0. So, write rupees 10,000 as the total of debit side and credit side. Balancing figure rupees 10,000 will arise on debit side. Balance carry down.